Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to prevent blisters in your running shoes. So first of all, I'm using special running socks. I just got these ones from Amazon and they're pretty thick and wick away the sweat really well. I wouldn't recommend using regular socks. Next, I have this anti-chafing balm. It's called Body Glide, and what this does is it prevents chafing and just any hot spots in your shoes. And then you can see to the side that I have new skin, and I'll put that on my blisters if they're pretty bad and I need to run. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to do a heel lock. And what this does is it prevents your foot from moving within the shoe by locking your heel really well. So as you can see, I just pull the ends of the shoelace through the additional hole, creating these two loops, and then I'm pulling the ends through the opposite loops, and then what I'll do is I'll just pull downwards to tighten. I can't use both of my hands in this video, so you can see by the motion I represent that you pull downwards. Here's the full view of how you pull to tighten, and you really want to make sure you pull downwards because this tightens it properly. And then after you do that, you just tie it normally, like so. In the end, if you do run long distances, you're inevitably going to get blisters after a while. But hopefully this video helped some of you, and thanks for watching.